Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at AMD stock, which you can see here is up by 11.3% over the course of today's trading. Very impressive to say the least. You're seeing in the after hours the stock is actually up by a further 0.9% as of so far. We're looking at all of this, we're giving some opinions on what is going on. I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts as well. If it sounds good, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always though, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now, I'm very impressed with what we are seeing over here with AMD. The last few days have been very impressive, and again, the run does continue. One thing to pay a lot of attention to is, whilst this is of course a potentially interesting and good sign, we are now seeing this run continue for quite some time, right? And that is of course good, but we are very much into that overbought range on the RSI. You're seeing numbers over here very, very high, as you can see, close to 79, 80 even on the RSI, so clearly something to pay attention to. At the same time, you're looking at this potential top here, or this potential pattern, looking to see if we're actually going to be able to break above 236, right into the 235.80s, into 236. Levels to the downside that you're looking at are 233, you're also looking below that to 230, you could be looking for levels down below that at 223, right? Now the question is, of course, with this one, do we continue to run? Well, it is of course a possibility, but again, what I'm looking for and how simply I want to see this one is, I want to see a consolidation period. This may be a small drop which could take us down to the 220s. A lot of people may not want to hear that, but that is of course just my opinion, right? And I think from there it does set the stage nicely to see a potential rally up again. But I do think as this run does continue, especially without us having that much time to consolidate, you've got to ask questions, right? Because the more steep the run, the more questionable it becomes for the potential of pullbacks. That's not to say I'm not bullish on AMD, of course I am, but in the short term I am now becoming a little bit cautious after another massively green day. It could be an interesting week ahead, but again, I am very much, as I say, cautious of these levels. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions on it down in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time, and again, do drop me a comment. Goodbye for now.